Welcome to Advanced Trading on Coinbase, sophisticated tools for advanced traders and those who'd like to learn how to take their trades to the next level. You can't know for sure if prices will go up or down, but with limit orders, you can take more control over your trades by setting a precise plan for the future. Limit orders let you buy or sell an asset like Bitcoin if and only if it reaches the price you want. After you set a limit order, your trade will go through automatically if the asset hits your target price or better. But there's no guarantee that will happen. If you submit a buy limit order, also known as a bid, the asset could keep going up and never hit your price. Or if you submit a sell limit order, called an ask, the asset could keep going down. And if the asset doesn't hit your price, or if there aren't enough bids or asks to fill your order, it won't be filled, or it will only be filled partially. Let's look at an example. To place a limit order, start by clicking the Advanced Trade tab. After doing your research, you might think that the price of Bitcoin is too high. You want to buy, but only if the price drops. Set up a buy limit order by going to the Buy tab, selecting Limit, and typing in your price. You can also quickly pick your price with a few different shortcuts. Mid is the mid-market price and is the average price between the bid and ask. Bid is the most competitive buy price on the book. If you're placing a sell limit order, you'll see Ask instead, which is the most competitive sell price. And the 1, 5, or 10% shortcuts let you specify how far you want your order to be from the bid or ask. You can also select exactly how much you want to buy using the amount slider, and then choose how long you'd like the order to stay open before it expires. When you're ready, select Buy or Sell to submit your order. And that's it. You've placed a limit order. Learn more about what comes next in our order book tutorial, and be sure to check out the description for more links on advanced trading with Coinbase. To review limit orders allow you to buy or sell a specific asset if and only if it reaches a specific price or better. If you set a limit order significantly below or above the current market price, your limit order might not be filled. Limit orders can give you more control over your trades and help you act on your trading strategy. If you place a limit buy above the best bid or a limit sell below the best ask, your order will be filled immediately up or down to your limit price if there's enough liquidity on the order book. Get started at coinbase.com/advancedtrading.